Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope that wherever you will live, inshallah, you will live happy. Today I will tell you the complete procedure of Eid Salah. It is wajib to offer Eid Salah, and it is offered with 6 additional takbireid. First of all, you will make the intention of Eid Salah. For example, I am offering 2 rakat of Eid Salah, which is wajib, with 6 additional takbireid. You will say Allahu Akbar. The Imam will call Allahu Akbar, and so will Muqtadis. He will raise hands up to the earlobes and then fold them, and everyone will recite Salah, which we recite in our usual prayers. The Imam will recite it, and so will Muqtadis. After that takbir will be called Allahu Akbar. You will raise your hands and then leave them straight. Then the second takbir will be called Allahu Akbar. You will raise your hands and will leave them straight at the side. And third time, the takbir will called Allahu Akbar. You will raise your hands and then fold them. The Imam will recite the Holy Quran, and other people who are offering Salah behind him will listen to him. After the recitation, just like a rakat is completed as usual, ruku is performed, qawma is performed, and prostrations are performed. You will complete this rakat and start the second one. The Imam will start the second rakat with the recitation of Holy Quran. When he has completed his recitation and has recited Surah Al-Fatiha and other chapter with it, then he will call 3 takbirat. They will also call takbirat at least so loudly that it would be audible to their own ears. While calling Allahu Akbar, you will raise your hands and then leave them straight. Then takbir will call Allahu Akbar, you will raise your hands and leave them straight. Third time, takbir will call Allahu Akbar. You will raise your hands and then leave them straight. In all 3 takbirat, you will raise your hands and leave them straight. The 4th takbir will call upon which you will bow down for rak'at. And after that, you will complete the rakat just like a rakat completed as usual. Thus, 2 rakat of the Eid Salah will be completed. This is the method of Eid Salah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.